Let me show you how easy it is to create a website. You start by selecting what you need the website for. In this example, I will select business. Then select the category that describes it best. Here I will select agency. Now let's enter the website's title. And here it is, the first version of your new website. You can add or remove sections here, but don't worry about getting this right just yet, because you can change it later in the editor. The next step is your website's design. Here you have different presets for fonts and themes, which include different colors. Of course, you can change and fine-tune them later in the editor. And that's pretty much it. Your site is done. You can choose to generate some text for it with AI. To do that, enter a description in this input. In this example, I will keep the description very brief, but please keep in mind that if you want good results, you should include a bit more detail in that. Now let's scroll over the site and see what the AI generates for us. You will be surprised by how good some of this content is. And that's how easy it is to create websites with AMSO.